What's up guys, Perry from Rockville here, and today I'm going to show you how to set up your R-Track Solo to your Mac. I'm going to take the included USB cable, plug the USB-C end into the interface, then I'll plug the other end into my computer, and for this setup I had to get an adapter that went from USB-C to USB-A. So now I can take the USB-A end and plug it into my adapter. So the next thing we'll want to do is go into the sound settings of our computer and make sure to set it to the appropriate input and output settings. So to do that, I'm just going to go into the system preferences of my computer. Then I'm going to go into the sound preferences. And from here, we'll be able to change the output device and the input device. So we want to switch both the output and the input device to the interface that we're using, and it's labeled here as RUSB-ASIO. So in the output section here, I'm going to look for RUSB-ASIO, and I'm going to click on it like this. And now my output device is set to my interface, so everything coming from the computer will come out of the speakers connected to the interface. And next I'll want to switch the input device to the interface, so that way we can connect a microphone and have it read by the computer. So I'm going to go to the input section here, and same thing, I'm going to look for RUSB-ASIO to select the interface as the input device. Then I'll click on it, and now my input device is set to my interface. You'll also want to be sure to do this in the sound settings of whatever DAW that you're using. To learn more about how to set up your interface, we have a bunch of different videos you can check out, which include how to set up your microphone, instrument, etc. So after you're done recording vocals and you want to mix them into your track, you can then use the master volume so you can hear everything coming out of your speakers. But again, just make sure that the speakers aren't on if you're using a microphone to record. So to show you how to set up headphones, I'm going to take the end of my headphones here and plug them into the headphone jack. Then I'm going to raise the headphone volume here. If you're not hearing anything coming out of the headphones, you might want to double check the monitoring section here. If you just want to hear everything coming from the computer or your DAW, you're going to set this to DAW. If you just want to hear anything plugged into the inputs of the interface, you'll set this to direct. And if you want to hear both of these at the same time, you can set this to mix. So hopefully this showed you guys how easy it is to set up your R-Track Solo to your Mac. But of course, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to reach out to our customer support team through phone or email. As always, I'm Perry from Rockville, and we'll see you guys next time.